respected teachers, honorable chief guests, and my student fellows. Good afternoon. I am here standing in front of you as a head boy of Vikas High School and for this special occasion, the installation of new cabinet. We can realize the members who are participated in the cabinet program and, stepped up their on take to the mantle of leadership. Uh, Being a leader is not important, and a leader should be inspiring to others and create a positive positive impact the- in themselves. To all the teachers, I thank you for your support and encouragement, and to all my students, your voices matter, and we are here to listen those. Let us make a beautiful environment where everyone can live with valuable respect. Thank you.